Hello friends, this is Sunita and today I have brought the video on Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 8. The scene is, the place is Venice, a street in Venice, and the main characters of the scene are Cesario and Salanio. Okay, so both these friends, they are talking on the street of Venice and they are very good friends of Antonio and Bassanio. And what they are talking? So let's start. Cesario is saying, "Why men, I saw Bassanio under sail. With him is Gratiano gone along, and in their ship, I am sure Lorenzo is not." So Cesario is telling to Salanio that he has seen when Bassanio was about to sail, he has seen that Bassanio has gone with Gratiano, but Lorenzo was not there in his ship. So Cesario said, "The villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship." So friends, in the earlier scene we have seen that Jessica has eloped with Lorenzo, and Jessica was the daughter of Shylock. So after she has not only eloped with Lorenzo, she has taken a lot of ducats, lot of gems and jewels of Shylock also. That is why Shylock became very much outrageous and he went in front of the Duke house. He shouted a lot in front of the Duke house, and he shouted so much in front of the Duke house that the Duke has to go along with Shylock to search in Bassanio's ship. Because Shylock was in doubt that Lorenzo and Jessica has gone in Bassanio's ship. So that is why. So Cesario, he added over here, "He came too late. The ship was under sail." But there the Duke was given to understand that in a gondola were seen together Lorenzo and his amorous Jessica. Beside Antonio certified the Duke that they were not with Bassanio in his ship. But Shylock came too late. The ship was already sailed. When Duke came along with Shylock, so Duke was made understand that both these people were not in Bassanio's ship, but they had gone. They were seen together in gondola, and And Antonio also certified the Duke. He assured the Duke that Lorenzo and Jessica, they had not gone with Bassanio, but they had gone separately. In some other way they had gone. So what Salanio is saying, "I never heard a passion so confused, so strange, outrageous, and so variable, as the dog Jew did utter in the streets, 'My daughter, oh my ducats, oh my daughter, fled with Christian, oh my Christian ducats, justice, the law, my ducats, and my daughter. A sealed bag, 2 sealed bag of ducats, of double ducats, stolen from me by my daughter, and the jewels, 2 stones, too rich, and the precious stones, stolen by my daughter. Justice, find the girl." So when Jessica, she has eloped with Lorenzo with a lot of money of Shylock, Shylock became mad. He became so much outrageous. What Salanio is saying that when everybody has found him shouting in the street of Venice, when he has become like a mad person because so much of his money has gone, and apart from this, the daughter has also gone. So he has become mad. He was shouting when he was found shouting in the street of Venice that, "Oh, my daughter, she has taken, my daughter has gone, my daughter has run away, she has taken my ducats, she has fled with Christian, Christian ke saath she has run away, and she has all taken my ducats. 1 sealed bag, no, it was 2 sealed bags, she has taken 2 sealed bags full of ducats, and she has taken 2 stones and all the precious stones of Shylock she has taken along with her." So he has just gone mad and he demanded justice. He demanded a search for Jessica and Lorenzo. That is why he shouted in front of Duke house that the Duke should arrange for the search for Jessica and Lorenzo, that where they have gone. She had the stones upon her and the ducats. She has got the valuable stones and plus the ducats. She has run away with a lot of money. So Cesario is saying, "Why all the boys in Venice follow him, crying his stones, his daughter and his ducats." So as Shylock was shouting so much in the street of Venice, mane, he has gone mad, and in the madness he was shouting in the streets of Venice like, my daughter, my ducats. So while he was shouting, so the boy was all the boys in the street, all the boys in the streets, they were laughing at him, and they were also throwing stones at him because he was behaving like a mad person. So you must have seen when a mad person is going on the street, so all these boys, the young boys, they throw stones and they laugh, and they try to mimic that mad person. So in the same way, when Shylock was crying in the street of Venice, so all the young boys, they were throwing stones, they were running after him. So what Solanio said? Let's good Antonio, look he keep his day, or he shall pay for this. So Solanio over here was quite worried. He said that Antonio should pay the amount of the bond, otherwise he has to pay. He has to pay the penalty, because see, Antonio has taken the bond. And so what Solanio is saying that Antonio या तो whatever was the date of the bond, उससे पहले पेमेंट कर दे, या on that particular date वो पेमेंट Shylock का क्लियर कर दे, नहीं तो एंटोनियो को बहुत बड़ी पेनाल्टी देनी पड़ेगी. एंड यू नो दैट व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ द बॉन्ड, कि अगर एंटोनियो उस बॉन्ड को नहीं पे करेगा तो ही हैज टू गिव अ पाउंड ऑफ द फ्लेश from anywhere, any part of his body. So that was a very big penalty which Antonio has to pay if he will not fulfill the condition of the bond. So Cesario, Mary, well remembered, I reasoned with a Frenchman yesterday who told me in the narrow seas that part, the French and the English were miscarried, a vessel of our country, richly fraught. I thought upon Antonio when he told me, and wished in silence that it were not his. So what Cesario is saying? Cesario is just swearing on Mary, Mother Mary, that he remembered, then he recalled that one of previous day, yes, yesterday means the previous day, one of the Frenchmen told him that on the English Channel, one of the ship which was rich in goods, it was wrecked. So one of the Frenchmen has told him that in the English Channel, one ship was wrecked that was fully laden with goods. And so that is why over here Cesario was thinking that he was in little bit doubt that Antonio was also a very rich merchant, and his ships were also, it was on sale. So that is why he was little bit scared, and he was just saying to Mother Mary that those ships should not belong to Antonio, because वो सोच रहा था कि because when he got the news, एक Frenchman से कि on English Channel एक ship wreck हुई है, तो वो मन God से he was praying to God that that particular ship should not belong to Antonio. So what Cesario said, you are best to tell Antonio what you hear. You do not suddenly, for it may grieve him. तो Cesario said कि ये सब बातें जो हैं वो because whatever he has heard about the wrecked ship, जो उसने सुना है कि one of the ship has been wrecked on the English Channel, तो वो एंटोनियो को सब बता दे, because अगर suppose वो ship Antonio की हुई, and if Antonio will get the news at once, so that will be a big shock for him, because from last few days Antonio was suffering because there was quite a business loss. Antonio was suffering from a business loss, so that is why Solanio is saying to Cesario that go and tell Antonio everything that he has heard about the ship which was wrecked in English Channel. So what Cesario is saying, a kinder gentleman treads not the earth. I saw Bassanio and Antonio part. Bassanio told him that he would make some speed. So Cesario is saying that it was very sad when he has seen Antonio and Bassanio was parting, because Bassanio तो Bresciano के साथ बेल्जियम जा रहा था. So at the same time that was a very sad scene when Antonio was parting with his friend Bassanio. And so that is why Celerio is saying that he was feeling very sad when he was seeing that both the friends, they were partying. Bassanio told him that he would make some speed of his return. He answered, "Do not so." Because Bassanio, while leaving, he told Antonio that he will return very fast. After completing his work, he will return very fast. But what Antonio said, "Do not so. Slumber your business for my sake, Bassanio, but stay the very ripening of the time, and for the due bond which he hath for me." He said, "Don't worry, Bassanio, please don't return so fast. Don't leave your business and return. When you finish your thing, then only you return, and don't worry about the bond which he has taken from Shylock, the money which he has taken from Shylock. So don't worry about all those things. Let it not enter in your mind of love. Be merry and employ your chiefest thought." So he said, please don't worry about the bond, the condition of the bond, because the condition of the bond was not good. That is why Bassanio, he told Antonio told Bassanio that don't worry about the bond, and when you finish your work, then only after finishing your work, then only return. And this condition of the bond should not come in your mind when you are doing your work at Belmont. This condition of the bond should not come in your mind, because Bassanio, why he is going to Belmont? He is going to Belmont to marry Portia. He is going to Belmont for his love. So that is why Antonio is saying कि मेरे बारे में मत सोचना, बॉन्ड के बारे में मत सोचना, तुम अपना पूरा ध्यान वहाँ पर बेलमेंट में लगाना. Or Portia, because you are going in such a task, because you have to choose a casket, you have to choose caskets over there, you have to make a right choice. So you should put your entire mind on the main task which you are going for. Be merry and employ your chiefest thought to courtship and such fair ostents of love, and such conveniently become you there, and even there his eyes being big with tears. So he said you should be cheerful when you are making the choice, when you are doing your work. You should be cheerful. You should only be thinking about the work for which you have gone to Belmont. You should think about your love. You should think about your choices which you are going to make over there. So don't think about me. Don't think about the bond condition. And while Antonio was saying all these things, his eyes, it grew big, because those eyes were filled with tears. So because you see, friends, when our eyes are filled with tears, they become very big. So that is why when Antonio was parting with Bassanio, his eyes were also filled with tears, and it became big. And when he turned back, because he did not want to show his tears to Bassanio. So that is why he turning his face, he put his hand behind him. So he turned his face so that Bassanio should not see the tears of Antonio's eyes. And with affection, wondrous sensible, he wrung Bassanio's hand, and so they parted. So this was very saddening thing. After when he turned his face, then he rubbed Bassanio's hands, and both of them parted. So Lanio, I think he only loves the world for him. I pray thee, let's go and find him out, and quicken his embraced heaviness with some delight or the other. Celario, do we so. So what Celario is saying, see, Antonio loves Bassanio so much, and their friendship was really wonderful. And he says that Antonio is such a wonderful man कि अगर वो इस दुनिया को प्यार भी कर रहा है तो वो केवल बसानियो की वजह से कर रहा है. माने उसकी जो दुनिया है वो केवल बसानियो है, उसका फ्रेंड ही उसकी मतलब entire world is Bassanio. So that is why he is so much sad. And he said कि Celario said कि चलो let's see, look for Antonio कहाँ है, where he is, and we will try to lighten his mind, because Antonio was very sad when Bassanio has parted him. So both of these friends, they were also good friends of Antonio. So that is why they were thinking कि let's go and lighten the mind of Antonio, and both of them went. So friends, this was very short scene, and in this scene only Shylock was crying in the streets of Venice because he was crying for his ducats and his daughter. And secondly, there was a doubt that one of the ship because Salario and Solano, they were in doubt because one of the ship was wrecked in the English Channel. So they were thinking that maybe it might be of Antonius because the ship was rich, was laden with goods. So that is why Antonio was also a rich merchant. So both these friends were thinking that ship might be, because they were praying to God that it shouldn't be of Antonio. And there was a little bit doubt in their minds. So it was a very small scene. Then also I had explained you. So I hope you like my explanation. And so if you like my explanation, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel. And wait for some new videos to come up. I will bring more new videos